Mathaini mathainya cia rucini hindi ya wiki ya wakura thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Agorosare tauni-ini ya Oyugis, mubunge wa Homa Bay Peter Karuma ekorete hacekeho na thengia yake ukorwo ari murugamiriri wa muhuraniri wa kiama kia ODM gicigo-ini kia bunge gia Kasipul.
It's not fair. Sasa hivi vijana wa Roko wamechukua bunduki yangu na wamenigonga hivi. Na mheshimiwa wangu ndio huyu. It is not fair.
Thutha wa njikaikanio cia ndagika ta ithano, mubunge uyu ekorete na nguraro njuru cia mutwe kuria murangari wake atunyitwo mucinga wake uria utari ronekana nginyagia thaa ici.
Gone with the gun for my bodyguard. And you can see they have told me, and he's the one who was telling them to hit me when I'm with them. And I'm here to wait for our ODM candidate who is on the way to vote. That is what we are waiting for. He's arriving in 5 minutes. It's not acceptable. I want to tell our people to stay. Come out and vote. Don't worry about what is happening. Come out and vote. These people want to cause violence so that they scare people from voting. Because they know we won. So come out and vote. You see, they have attacked me, but I'm still here. There is no issue.
Thutha wa ndagika nini tu nyana kingi cieyumiria na thimbu ni gukeng'ethania na gikundi giki kuria maabitha a borithi kuma ruhonge rwa GSU mekinyirie niguo kuhoreria ndũgamano ici. Ngari kenda ni nyititwo na cigiritwo ceceni-ini ya borithi ya Oyugis iri nyitikanite ikuite mabanga, mahiga na matharaita mangi. Gukinyiria riu mucinga wa murangari wa Karuma no urethanwo naguo.
Sasa hivi vijana wa Roko wamechukua bunduki yangu na wamenigonga hivi. Na mheshimiwa wangu ndio huyu. It is not fair. Look at what they have done to me.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Maina wa Kihara.